my spot. Oh, good morning, chickadees. Oh, they're hiding. Think you guys can figure that one out? Joey broke my heart a little bit today. Told me I can't move the chickens until tomorrow. What do we all have to do?
You gotta pull all these screws out to the side, out of the floor. And I gotta rip it out, cut it a little shorter, and glue the piss out of it. No, I'm gonna cut myself.
Oh, blood everywhere.
That's from that door.
It's safe.
Don't pinch your hand.
Pretty much though. Well, now it looks fine because it's cold. But when it gets warm, it like warps up, expands. So that'll be my project today. Hello, welcome from the chicken coop. So like Joey said, Gracie wants to come in and help, and then she'll start barking at me the second I start running the drill. So I am going to take all the screws out for the floor. And then tomorrow will hopefully be the day that the chickens get to move in. But yeah, this warping is gonna kind of be a pain in the butt for cleaning. So we're gonna take it out and do it right. And Gracie's just gonna stalk me the whole time. But at least in here, I'm out of the wind. So we got that going for us. Started already. I thought Joey had the right bit that I needed. Negative. Gotta go get the other one. Yes. Hey, cutie. Welcome home. Hello, happy weekend, everyone. We are working on the chicken coop today. Hopefully by tonight or tomorrow we'll have the chickens moved out. I might keep saying that, but we had to redo the floor. So Joey kind of glued it down, and then we put like a bunch more screws in it. So we're hoping that it is good enough, honestly. So we had to put the sides back up. We have to do a couple other things. I don't really know what he's doing. I think he broke a drill bit and he's trying to get it out of the drill or something. I am going to just start cleaning out the old chicken coop a little bit. Just making a pile of poop essentially, and then once we're like ready to move, it'll be less cleaning to do. It'll give me something to do, and it'll keep me warm because it's disgustingly cold in Wisconsin.
So much concentration.
did Dad leave you? We are putting the final touches on the chicken coop. Very exciting stuff. Water is all set. Joey's going to grab me a couple more cinder blocks so that I can put the feeders up. We have these. We don't have two's enough, but we kind of ran out of room in here, so we're gonna see if this works. Otherwise, we'll probably put some the other way, maybe. But oh, you need a glove. We got the nesting box hung, and yeah, for now we've got a small run outside for them that we put our automatic door on. So eventually we want to build a bigger one that like we can kind of walk in, that's got a roof for shade and stuff, but for right now it doesn't matter. They've got a little area to go outside, so they'll be happy. Are you a dinosaur? Are you a dinosaur? Oh. Can I have my gloves back? No? Thank you, thank you. Can I have your bank? Please. Someday he'll give it up. Today is not that day. What? Is it confetti? Wow.
Oh, shell proof. Don't worry about it.
That was great. Hey, what's up? This is Becca from Hilby Family Farm, and welcome to my chicken's crib. Won't be funny unless you like grew up on MTV like me. So when you walk in the door, we've got this really nice wooden door that we got off of that really old house out there. It's gonna be amazing for letting natural light in. And we've got 3 windows in the coop. We've got our Over Easy chicken waters and our Over Easy feeders. I got these on sale this spring and I am obsessed with them. So I went back and got more. And then we've got them propped up on some blocks so that the chickens can reach them. And both of them. This little area has our automatic door opener, and it's going to go out into a little run right now. Eventually we want that to be a lot bigger, but this is what we're working with yet. Follow into over here, we've got some roofs for them. We do have 2 more of these. I'm not sure if we're going to use them or we don't know where we'd put them, so we're just going to see how they do with these, and if we have to add more we will. And then we've got our nesting box hung up. She's old, but she still works really well. So Joey actually took a little time today, put some bolts in where they were needed, and fixed her up real nice. But this is our coop. It's so exciting with a very bright LED light. This is the outside of the coop. A few more cosmetic things need to be done, but for the most part, she's done. She's actually been through some windstorms already, so hopefully it doesn't go flying. Beautiful roof on it. Joey did such a great job on this. This is the little run we've got for them so far. Like I said, eventually it'll be bigger, but then we also have our automatic door opener. If my phone wants to zoom in, if you have chickens and you don't have one of these, they are so worth the investment. It was like a little over $100 from Run Chicken, and it's amazing. It's based on solar, so in the morning it opens and at night it shuts. That's the chicken coop tour. Next up, we're gonna move the chickens in. I've got their food and water ready to go. It is almost nighttime, not quite, but they'll be settling in pretty soon. So we're gonna go snatch up some chickens, ruffle some feathers, and see how they like their new crib. Did you get some loaded?
Yeah.
All right. I was thinking we should find a box or something rather than carrying them.
You got like 6 in there.
Oh, pretty good.
Joe. Ready?
Yeah.
Who's gonna be the first one out? The red one or the red one? The red one.
Happy chickens!
catch it if it falls. Put it in slow. Okay, drive on up. Poor chickens. Go.
Run behind him. Oh, big time chicken hauler. Go on. Chickadee chickadees. Oh, he's got him, Grace. That one pooped on me. Hey, silly, you want to hold one of these chickens?
No,
Why?
cause
Oh, that's so cute. Alright, let's go unload these. Joe got one! Go get your dad!
Yeah.
Good job, buddy. What Jack said. Jack caught it.
Ready? You gotta throw it in. 1, 2, 3. Throw it!
I need help catching one.
On the corner.
Come here, I'm trying to get one for you.
Corner it. Get it in the corner.
The coop looks cold. Chicken coop looks very empty, doesn't it? Just,
I'm cleaning it.
and we are cleaning it. Just a lot of cleaning to do now.
Yeah, we might have to clean it over day, but we might have to. But we might have to clean it tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll finish cleaning it tomorrow. I'm getting hungry. How about you?
Yeah.
No?
I'm freezing.
Oh, well, you can stay down here. I'll go to the house.
I'm freezing.
Yeah, it is kind of cold out. Come on in, Jack. My replacement's here. Do you need help? Shovel.
I'm gonna put all the stuff in there, and then I will hold it out.
Good idea.
It's double too big.
No, I'm gonna lift you up. You gotta climb like a monkey. Ready?
Yeah.
Climb like a monkey. Go get him! Get him! What? Let go. Let go. I got you. What?
Almost had him.
Oh, I'm a gymnast!
Oh, Gracie!
What'd you do that for? Well, yeah, I kicked her.
What a day.
We're cleaning the chicken coop.
He's just so excited about cleaning the chicken coop. I think we're going to call it a video, though, hey?
Mom, I want one of you gloves.
Just one of them? Okay. Very productive day. Chickens are moved. That's literally all I wanted to accomplish this weekend, so we got that going for us. Tomorrow maybe we'll work on cleaning this out more, power wash everything, and then start a new project. Joey's gonna love it. But yeah, thanks for watching. We're just gonna finish up with calf chores. Joey's feeding a bale of hay right now, and then we're gonna call it a night. Go find some dinner. Except I forgot to thaw out my meat.
Huh?
I forgot to thaw out meat for dinner. If you're watching this, go grab your meat for tomorrow. Oops. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.